If you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and please check out my other videos. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be doing a cartridge filter cleaning for a Clean and Clear Pentair cartridge filter. And you're going to need a 7/8 socket, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. What you're going to do first is you're going to open the air bleed. This is right here. You're going to twist it counterclockwise. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start loosening this up here. All right. Okay, so here is the spring and everything. We're going to keep that exactly where it is. And I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Now I usually just use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm doing this without a tripod. So I'm going to just loosen this up, let that drop down. Okay, so now we're going to take this flathead screwdriver and we're just going to lift it up a little bit here, and we're going to open it up. Okay, so now we have the lid here, and this is an actual old unit, so we may be replacing it here before long. All right, so now you're going to take this top part off. This is what holds the filters in place. Just gonna lift that right off. And as you can see, the air bleed screen is missing. So I'm gonna see about probably gonna have to open that back up and get another one, but that's really important to have that screen there. So I want to go ahead and start cleaning these, and then I will be back. I'm going to be using just a spray head on a hose, so I'll be back. Okay everyone, so I got those cleaned and I'm going to put the lid back on, and it's going to be really hard to film that part, so I will come back when I'm done. But yeah, you just want to make sure to get this back on and seat it properly, and check the O-ring. I'm going to have to inspect that O-ring to make sure I don't need to replace it, and I'll be right back. I got this back on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this video. I wish I could have filmed some more of it. I had some neighbors deciding to do some work outside with some power tools and whatnot. You know how it is. I'll try to post more videos like this as they come. All right, have a good day. Thank you.